All right, we begin with a picture that looks like a very lack of spring-like weather across the valley. It's been cold, brutal north winds continue as our Storm Team Skycam network shows some thinning of the clouds over the metro area as we head into the evening hours. 17 degrees the temperature thus far in Fargo. We were 18 just after midnight, 18 in Jamestown as well. A little warmer up in the Devil's Lake Basin and northeast parts of the North Dakota area. And we have some teens across most of western Minnesota. 23, though, in Roseau. Winds, they're out of the north and cold and very gusty. Look at this, gusting to 30 miles per hour for Fergus Falls. 23-mile-per-hour gusts from the northwest in the Breckenridge-Wahpeton area. Snow is exiting and roads are quite treacherous across much of central and southern Minnesota, where upwards of 3 to 8 inches of fresh snow have fallen with the winds out there. Numerous crashes reported. Log on to valleynewslive.com on the weather tab. There is also a sub-tab up there for road conditions. Check before you travel. Even though we have seen very little snow in our area, the cold has allowed the icy conditions to continue across many of our area interstates and roads. This is a cold air mass that we're dealing with. It's diving all the way through the central and southern plains. Severe weather in the form of thunderstorms and tornadic storms breaking out in the Mississippi Valley as we take a look. Cold air diving into Texas as well. So I guess we're sharing, at least. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows decreasing wind speed tonight. Clouds are out of here, and that's ideal with the fresh snowpack on the ground for some bitter cold temperatures during the overnight hours. We will see a chance at hitting record lows. Fargo's record for your Wednesday morning is 2 below zero. I think we'll be close to that zero range. Some of us below zero. Grand Forks, your record low tomorrow, 0 degrees. So we'll have a shot at some record tying or breaking temperatures to start our day. Wind chills between 10 and 20 below out there. Even though wind speeds won't be all that strong, it will be quite brisk to start your day. The south wind increases midday. We'll see sunshine in most of our area and temperatures will warm substantially in the afternoon, but we won't get to freezing. So again, slippery roads out there with the chance for some afternoon flakes across northern Minnesota. But watch what happens as we head into the late night hours. Moving in from the west, little weather wiggle works its way through, and this will leave a dash of some measurable snow for many of us as we wind the clock into Thursday morning. We may need to shovel the walk before we head out, and another dash of slippery roads across the region. 3 to start your day in Fargo. Temperatures warming into the upper 20s under sunny skies. We'll see southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then late in the day, increasing clouds, and overnight, a chance for some snow, possibly accumulating in the FM area. I'm thinking between 1 inch and 3 inches along the path of the storm, and that is still under question. Temperatures across the region will generally peak only in the 20s. We may have a renegade 30 here or there, but at least some afternoon sun with those south winds will feel better than today. Troy uploaded French Minnesota Easter sunrise, and look at that gorgeous sky. Blue skies indeed this past weekend. Thursday, morning flakes will be ending, 27 your high temperature. And then behind that little weather wiggle we talked about Wednesday to Thursday, another brutal cold air mass works its way in with challenging record low temperatures as we go into Friday and Saturday morning. Sunday, our next chance of measurable snow. Models are still a little bit in a disagreement about how much and where that snow will fall, so we'll keep our eyes on it for now. We could see some 30s, though, by the middle of next week.
I think you should sell those models and get some new ones.
You do?
I do.
Well, we'll see what we can do.
All right, thanks.